Well, we want to take a short break, but before we do that, this is what you'll be waking up to tomorrow on Kenya's bold newspaper, The Standard. As always, the headline is bold and facts come first at The Standard. Ruto's blue-eyed boy, reflecting on the trusted pair of hands that is Aden Duale. President William Ruto, for the umpteenth time, shuffled his cabinet today. Whereas Justin Muturi was the biggest casualty, the president tapped Aden Duale, a man not known for exemplary delivery in the dockets he has previously held. For the Cartel Read and Health docket, an appointment that raises more questions than answers. Page 4 has more details on the latest changes done by President William Ruto and how Aden Duale has managed 3 ministries in the 2.5-year stint during President William Ruto's administration. He was at the Ministry of Defense, then the Ministry of Environment, and now at the Ministry of Health. Find out more details on what these changes mean. Bang or a whimper, Muturi exits cabinet. More details on that, even as funding reprieve for universities and students. That story has been encompassed on page 3 of The Standard, including more details on how health data has been carted away by a US donor. That's on the national page 10. Make sure you grab yourself a copy so you're adequately informed about the very latest in terms of news making headlines. We take a